Imagine a world where the most exciting phone of the year isn't a flagship. In 2026, Nothing Technology just did the unthinkable. They canceled the flagship phone 4. Instead, they've bet everything on this, the Nothing Phone 4A series. It's thinner, it's made of metal, and it has a camera that should cost twice as much. But is it a flagship killer? Or did they just lose their soul by ditching the transparency? Let's find out. Why no phone 4 this year? Analysts call it one step back, two steps forward. While everyone else is raising prices due to RAM scarcity, Nothing is bringing the flagship experience to the mid-range. On March 5th, they dropped two bombs, the standard 4A and the Pro. But here in the US, things are different. Nothing is taking a massive risk by only selling the Pro model here for $499. They want to be seen as a premium brand, and the specs on this Pro model, they're wild. Under the hood of the Pro, we have the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4. This isn't your average mid-range chip. It's built on TSMC's 4nm process, giving a 30% GPU boost over last year. But the real star is the Hexagon NPU. We're talking 65% better AI performance. This thing runs LLMs in stable diffusion image generation on device. No cloud needed. To keep it cool, Nothing packed in a massive 5,300 square millimeter vapor chamber. Whether it's high-end gaming at 120 Hz or multitasking, this phone refuses to throttle. Now, let's talk about the soul of Nothing. Design. This is where it gets controversial. For the first time, Nothing ditched the plastic and went for a full metal aluminum unibody on the Pro. It's the thinnest Nothing phone ever at 7.95 millimeters. Some fans are furious, saying Nothing is losing its transparent identity. But honestly, the metal feels incredible, helps with heat, and gives it an IP65 rating. Don't worry, you still get a transparent bridge near the camera and a brand new glyph matrix. The screen? It's a 1444 Hz AMOLED with a mind-blowing 5000 nits peak brightness. That's brighter than almost any flagship on the market. But the real leap is the camera. A 50-megapixel Sony LYT700c main sensor, and, get this, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical and 140x digital zoom. In a $500 phone, that's unheard of. They've even co-developed a TrueLens Engine 4 with Google for professional-grade 4K Ultra XDR video. Nothing OS 4.1 is now an AI hub. Features like Essential Space and Playground let you build mini AI apps without coding. And battery life? Even with the US version having a 5080 mAh cell, it lasts up to 17 hours of heavy use. The 50-watt fast charging gets you to 100% in about an hour. The only catch? Still no wireless charging. That might be a deal breaker for some of you. The Phone 4a Pro is taking a direct shot at the Google Pixel 10a. While the Pixel has the 7-year update promise, Nothing has the better screen, faster charging, and that insane periscope zoom. Nothing is maturing. They aren't just the fashion tech brand anymore. They're a global powerhouse in the making. So would you trade transparency for a metal unibody and a periscope lens? Let me know in the comments.